Yo, it's your boy Me Two Times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. Hey, I wasn't gonna make this video right now just because like I'm trying to keep my videos quality and stuff like that. I don't really like doing too much in the car videos like this. And I like recording off my cameras and putting the quality so I can get that quality and quantity out to y'all. But I don't got my camera right now and I'm sitting here not doing nothing. But I just wanted to say, bro, is we tend to always like want what the next person has and we're never satisfied with what we got, bro. And I feel like it affects everybody, because even if I try to not let it, like I don't realize what I got. Like, you know, we gotta be grateful for what we got, bro. Some people didn't wake up today. Some people don't have a food. Some people don't have a plate to eat, bro. Some people don't have a nice place to lay their head down to go to sleep, bro. And we tend to get so caught up on what we don't have, especially in America, on what we don't have and what we want and stuff, rather than just appreciating what we got, what God gave us for today. And I'm gonna give you an example. So as y'all know, I made that video and it blew up, you feel me? And I'm like, okay, I started kind of like a trend because I've seen a lot of people started to do it, which I'm not, you know, I don't care. Like, you know, I'm not the only person with this addiction, but I'm glad I got other people to speak out about it. But there was another YouTuber and stuff like that who he made a video pretty much just like mine's, and there was a few other things that like were kind of like mine's, and I'm not fully saying yeah he copied everything, but like for a little bit, like that jealousy was coming up, you feel me? And I know I'm not a jealous person, but I seen it creeping in, and that's the enemy trying to creep in and get that envious or jealousy, like, you feel me? Because the video that he posted, it was like 3 days, he posted it like 3 days after mine's, and his blew up way past mine's. And in my head, I'm like, damn, like I want my credit or something like that. And I'm like, it takes a lot for a man to say that he's jealous, but like I started getting jealous. I'm like, damn, how I'm only at this many subs, but he's going way past my subs, and like I was the first one to do this. But I got back to my senses. I'm like, no, I don't be jealous of somebody, bro. Everybody grows at a different pace, like, you feel me? So then I was like, nah, you know, I'm gonna support his video. I subscribe to him, I comment on his video and stuff like that, you know. Cause I realized if you put that jealousy and envious out there, that's gonna come back to haunt you, bro. And like I was saying, with not realizing, like I'm so focused on the next man, I'm not realizing what I got. I'm like, dang, he got more subscribers than me now, he got a bigger community, but at the end of the day, that don't matter, bro. I got my community. If I really sit back and think, bro, I got 8,000 people that watch me, subscribe to me, bro. A family, I got a whole group chat with over almost 1,000 people on there, bro. A community, you feel me? I hopped on a call with them last night, bro. And I'm over here worrying about, dang, this guy's passing me and stuff like that, when I'm not sitting back and be like, dang, I really got a community, bro. And that's when my brain is starting to think like, bro, this shit's starting to get to me. And I don't want it to be on some stuff where it's like I even have the envious or jealous thoughts, bro. Because at the end of the day, like, that's just gonna block my blessings, for real. It's gonna block my blessings because, like I was saying in one of my other videos, when I share good things with other people, nobody wants to see you do better than them. And I'm always a person, I always want someone to do good, but deep down, you never want to see nobody do better than you, because you feel me, you getting left. That means you're not doing something right. But I came to realize everybody goes at their own pace, bro. It's a marathon, not a race. What, we're at a race to the top? No, we're not, bro. It's about the journey, bro. Because once you're finished that race, life gets boring, and you have to go to the next adventure, the next journey. So I just want to hop on here and tell y'all, like, bro, be grateful for what you got, bro. Tomorrow's never promised, bro. Some people don't have a lot of stuff. There's people who probably put in so much more work than me on YouTube, been grinding for years, and probably don't have the community that I got, bro. So, like, I came to the realization, instead of me getting any type of feelings, any type of way because his video got more than me, bro, I need to just be grateful for what I got, bro. I love y'all, mom. You feel me? And I'm gonna hop on here and speak that, bro. Like I say in every video, it's real talk, bro. I'm not gonna say that, nah, I was not feeling some type of way. Yeah, I was feeling some type of way, because I'm like, dang, I'm the first person who came out with this, and then, you know, other people supposedly copy me, which is not really copying, because they all got, everybody deals with this. I just opened the gateway for people to talk about it. But I'm like, dang, they going bigger than me. But at the end of the day, that's not what I made the video for. I didn't make the video for views. I didn't make the video to get clout. I didn't make the video. It just so happened to happen. But that's when my mind started playing tricks on me, like, damn, I've been authentic from the start. Don't start changing up now because I want more views, more subscribers. No, bro. That's not what I made that video for. I made that video to inspire others, and I want to keep my channel like that, bro. So I want to hop on here and tell y'all, like, I'm being real, bro. Like, I did get that jealousy, that envious spirit over me, bro. But I can't be like that, and I don't want y'all being like that, bro. Like, I was really on some stuff, like, low-key hating. I'm like, dang, he doing better than me. Damn. But it's not a race, bro. It's a marathon, bro. Like, we all at different paces, bro. We all got different journeys. And subscribers shouldn't even mean nothing, bro. I got 8,000 people that are supporting me, bro. Why do I care about the next person, bro? I care about y'all. I care about me and y'all relationship, bro. Whatever he got going on with his YouTube, bro, I wish him the best, bro. I really do. And I even texted him on Discord last night. You feel me? And, you know, it's no hate or anything, but I started getting that mindset, like, dang, he doing a little bit better than me. Like, even though I don't want to fill up and say, like, yeah, I was jealous or anything, bro. I'm a real ass man, bro. I'm a grown man, bro. I'm gonna admit that I was feeling some type of way, bro. I don't need to hide my feelings, bro. So I was just, and it goes for anything in life, bro. We gotta be grateful for anything, bro. I'm grateful to be living, bro. Some people didn't, like I said, some people didn't wake up today, bro. I'm grateful to be having my vision, my voice. God gave me a voice. Some people are deaf, mute, blind, bro. Be grateful for what you got, bro. We tend to get so caught up on what we don't have and don't focus on the things that we do have, bro. Tomorrow is never promised. Everything in life can be taken from you in an instant, bro. Everything. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and let y'all know, like, how I was feeling, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. This shit was getting real, bro. You know, I don't want y'all thinking, oh, Meech just in this for the views now and stuff. Like, cause that's not what I am, bro. Y'all know that I'm authentic with y'all, bro. Like, even with the videos, I try not to cut them as much anymore, because I'm trying to speak like it's like a conversation. Like, I want it more like a conversation. It's like, I don't even really be getting dressed or getting all fancy for these videos, bro. Y'all getting the real me, bro. Y'all getting the real me. Glasses on, it's sitting, relaxed. Like, nah, bro. I want it to be more. I want to remain genuine with y'all, bro. I don't want to be like, I don't want to turn fake. Somebody said last night, it seemed like fake is the new real and real is the new fake. Man, I just want to keep it real with y'all. You feel me? Like, I don't want nobody thinking I'm up here just being something that I'm not, bro. I don't want this shit to be on some shit where I'm just focused on the views. And because, like I said in one of my past videos, I think it was the video of Replace the Addiction. And I was like, you know, I started scrolling on YouTube, just checking my views, constantly checking my Instagram, or constantly checking my subscribers go up. And that was giving me that dopamine hit, bro. But why am I even worried about that? I shouldn't be worried about that, bro. I should be worried about helping myself and helping y'all and helping other people dealing with things that I'm going through as well, bro. So I'm like, I had to catch myself real quick, bro. I had to catch myself. And it's like, I realized it take a real ass man, it take a grown man, it take somebody with big cojones, you feel me, to admit this. And also, like, DM the person that is like, look, no, I don't know, hate and shit, you feel me? Because he ain't do nothing wrong, bro. He just made a video, bro. He ain't diss me, none of that. So I'm gonna hop on here and keep it real with y'all. And, you know, bro, if you seen this video, bro, props to you, bro. You know, congratulations. You know, you growing fast and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, with that being said, I love y'all. Stay blessed, stay motivated, stay disciplined, and stay consistent, man. I'm about to go on a plane in a little bit. I'm about to be in a whole new state, bro. So new videos coming soon. But yeah, with that being said, I'll catch you on the next video, man. Gang.